Marine engineering broadly refers to the engineering of boats, ships, mobile offshore drilling unit (MODU), and any other marine vessel or floating structure. It is a field that deals with the engineering aspects of the maritime industry. The term marine engineering means the engineering discipline concerned with the machinery and systems of ships and other marine vehicles and structures.
I'm in charge of shipbuilding, whereas from the start we need to plan beforehand. Once we get the contract, so we will get the order from other companies to give it to us. So we will come up with the plan so that we can plan whatever we want to do with to build one whole ship. Because shipbuilding is a very interesting industry, whereas we build the ship from the one plate and then become one ship until it's delivered.
It includes the design, construction, installation, operation, and maintenance of main power plants, as well as the associated auxiliary machinery and equipment for the propulsion of ships. Shipping is the most efficient method of transportation on the planet, but due to the huge volume of activity, the industry's total contribution to emissions is very large. The industry is looking to improve the efficiency of vessels and also optimizing hull forms to reduce the water and wind drag. The maritime industry is a rapidly changing one, and marine engineering is an integral part of it. Marine engineers working in the industry have to keep themselves abreast with the latest developments and regulations.
As engineer, first thing my duty to plan up our project. So we do the planning, scheduling, and then starting we will check with the person, contractors, all involving with the project, and then we will start with the structure first, and then we will go to the installation machinery. This one.
Marine engineering can be a highly lucrative career for those who are built for a highly challenging job. A marine engineer is a professional who is responsible for the operation, maintenance, and repair of all major mechanical and engineered equipment on board a ship. They manage the enormous power of the ship and all its complicated machinery and help it cross the ocean. Marine engineers may have to work on cargo ships, container ships, or oil and gas tankers. Ships these days use the most modern technology and equipment that can be understood, maintained, and handled only by marine engineers. This job requires a high degree of discipline and responsibility, since the chief marine engineer is in charge of a ship and its cargo, which costs millions of dollars. The demand for marine engineers in public and private shipping companies has risen sharply with the increase in international global sea traffic. The construction, operations, and maintenance of the engine room are the main obligations of a marine engineer. This means that they deal with the technical area of the ship and the overall in charge of the engine and its crew. They are likely to have to deal with a wide range of systems, including diesel engines, gas turbines, boilers, steam turbines, heat exchangers and pumps and compressors, electrical machinery, hydraulic machinery, refrigeration machinery, steam, water, fuel oil, lubricating oil, compressed gas, and electrical systems, equipment for automation and control, equipment for firefighting and other forms of damage control, and systems for cargo handling. There are many mechanical systems that help in the operations of any vessel, like the propulsion mechanics, electricity and power generation system, lubrication, fuel systems, water distillation, lighting, and air conditioning system. These are all included in the technical responsibilities of a marine engineer. Shipping is probably one of the most regulated industries in the world because of the high risk.
Before joining this company, you have to get your diploma from Polytechnic. Then you can be an assistant engineer or technician inside this company. So with this experience you get, within 5 years, then you can be promoted to become engineers, and then so on. Then we can become assistant manager and a manager.
If we really interest to the engineering side, for the hands-on thing, technical thing, you can go to shipyard or offshore company, and that one for technical knowledge.
It's a global industry, so there are opportunities for travel, but it also means that vessels are operating 24 hours a day. Judging by the developments and the interest, it would not be wrong to assume that this field of study would continue to leave an indelible mark on the world.